Hello, today I'm doing a review of this Ferrocerium fire starter kit. This is a fire starter kit that includes a Ferrocerium, a striker, and a lanyard for easy carrying. Before the first use, you will need to scrape off the protective coating on the ferro rod so it can produce spark properly. That's how you can do it. Now I'm going to see how easy it can ignite a cotton ball. Just with a few strikes, the ferro rod creates a strong shower of sparks that quickly catches the cotton ball. Now I'm gonna test the set with dry grass. Let's see how well the sparks can ignite the dry grass on their own. You see that this was pretty quick. This kit is perfect for camping bag, hiking bag. If you like hiking, I highly recommend this kit to keep it in your bag.